To set up Thinkorswim for scalping, you need to start by opening a Thinkorswim account and downloading the platform. Once you have the platform installed, log into your account and navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, select the Appearance tab and choose a dark or light theme that suits your preference. Next, set up your chart settings by clicking on the chart settings icon, which is usually represented by a small gear. In the chart settings menu, select the time frame you want to use for scalping, such as 1 or 5 minutes. You can also add studies and indicators to your chart, such as moving averages or Bollinger Bands, to help you make trading decisions. After setting up your chart, you need to set up your trading panel. To do this, click on the trading panel icon and select the order type you want to use, such as a market or limit order. You can also set up your position sizing and risk management parameters, such as the number of shares you want to trade and the stop-loss level. To set up your order entry, click on the order entry icon and select the type of order you want to use. For scalping, you will typically use a market or limit order. You can also set up your order entry to use hotkeys, which allow you to quickly enter trades with a single keystroke. In addition to setting up your chart and trading panel, you also need to set up your alerts and notifications. To do this, click on the alerts icon and select the type of alert you want to receive, such as a price alert or a news alert. You can also set up your notifications to be sent to your phone or email. Finally, to start scalping with Thinkorswim, you need to have a solid trading strategy and a good understanding of the markets. You should also have a risk management plan in place, including a stop-loss level and a position sizing strategy. With these components in place, you can start using Thinkorswim to scalp the markets and potentially earn profits.